Welcome to our comparison of the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 and RTX 5060 Ti graphics cards. In this video, we'll delve into the specifications, performance, and pricing of these two powerful GPUs. The RTX 5070 boasts a higher boost clock speed and a larger memory interface, while the RTX 5060 Ti offers more memory capacity at a lower price point. Let's explore these differences in detail to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to memory capacity, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 features 12 GB of GDDR7 memory, while the RTX 5060 Ti comes with a larger 16 GB of GDDR7 memory. This difference can impact performance in memory-intensive applications, especially in gaming and professional workloads. The RTX 5060 Ti's larger memory capacity may provide better performance in scenarios where more VRAM is beneficial, such as high-resolution gaming or rendering tasks. The boost clock speed is another critical factor to consider. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 has a boost clock speed of 2,600 MHz, significantly higher than the RTX 5060 Ti's boost clock of 1,750 MHz. This higher clock speed can lead to better performance in gaming and other graphics-intensive tasks, providing smoother frame rates and improved responsiveness in demanding scenarios. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 is priced at $609.99, while the RTX 5060 Ti is more budget-friendly at $479.99. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a balance between performance and cost. Depending on your specific needs and budget, one card may offer better value than the other. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 and RTX 5060 Ti offer impressive features and performance for gamers and professionals alike. The RTX 5070 excels in boost clock speed and memory interface, while the RTX 5060 Ti provides a larger memory capacity at a more affordable price. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.